What's going on, everybody? I'm Shy. This is the Dollar Tree. We are back with another video. Appreciate everybody for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Add us on Instagram at the.dollar.tree. Listen, let's get right to it. So let's talk about BAT real quick. As we discussed, BAT came up, went all the way up to as high as 41 cents and came back down to 31 cents in that area. Good. So, like I said, you pulled out at 38. If you want to continue to trade that coin, you could get back in. You could have got back in at 31, 32 or whatever if you wanted to do, build that coin up over time on the way up. But either way, that was a good move. Chainlink seems to be finally recovering. All right, let's clap our hands for Chainlink, and let's also say thank you to the Dollar Tree, because I did say that $12.50 area was a good buying area, that bounce area, and that's exactly what happened. It bounced, and it's up to over $17 as of the making of this video. XRP in the crossroads. Let me go look at this real quick. I'm going to check it out on my phone. XRP, yes, crossroads. XRP came down to 25 cents. I mean, it's not looking good for XRP right now. But as I said, if Bitcoin pulls back, it's a very good chance that XRP is going to go with it. Bitcoin goes higher, it's no guarantee that XRP is going to go with it. Now, with the recent news about DeFi or XRP backing DeFi, which is the hot thing in the space right now, I don't know, maybe people will feel, more of a need to buy into XRP. But right now, XRP, of course, is usually, as usual, stagnant. But nevertheless, if you were in it, like I said, you were buying at that early opportunity, 10 to 18 cents. You're not really sweating right now. You're probably going to see a 22 to 18 cent pullback as potentially an opportunity to add more to your bag for the long haul for XRP. Just keep in mind, XRP is not going to be like a lot of these other assets that are flying off the shelves, going up 30, 40, 50, 5x, 4x, 3x. It's not going to do that. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about before we go into the regular news, Yearn Finance. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Yearn Finance, but Yearn Finance is the ERC20, and Yearn Finance went from about $10,000 to $32,000, currently around $30,000 as of the making of this video, and it only took about 2 weeks to do it. Yearn Finance is something that has been very popular amongst corporations, big companies. So I'll look to keep my eye on Yearn Finance, and as well as Yearn Finance 2. I'm not going to go too deep into details. I'm going to say that it is more than Bitcoin. Yes, one Yearn Finance is triple Bitcoin. I'm going to tell you right now. Okay, so one Yearn Finance right now is $32,000. Much more than Bitcoin. Now, let's not get out of control here. It's $32,000, but there are way less tokens, way less coins, way less Yearn Finance coins than it is Bitcoin. All right. So let's keep that into perspective as well when you're talking about why it's a coin that's worth more, or cost more rather. And I wouldn't say worth, but cost more than Bitcoin. Now, as far as the market cap on Yearn Finance, it's 900 million. So the market cap is not there where Bitcoin is. That'll tell you that right there. Currently going up 33,000 per coin, 33,128. Yearn Finance 2 is back up above $5,000. It went up and touched 5,900 or 5,700. Pulled back a little bit, the typical 5,900, and is currently at 5,142. Now, here's the problem. Here's my issue. Yearn Finance, for those who aren't as advanced, is very difficult to get. It's very difficult for U.S. citizens. You're probably going to have to do some wiggling around on these different exchanges, Uniswap, Warby Pro, stuff like that, to see if you can get a hold of it. But very difficult. And it's unfortunate because Yearn Finance was an opportunity that I had my eyes on, that I actually wanted to get to, but I didn't have the time to do the necessary research and put in the time to maneuver over to the necessary avenues to acquire the coin and benefit from the run up. Now, a week ago, Yearn Finance 2 was $700. So that just tells you the increase in potential of this coin. Actually, I'll go as far as to tell you, forget about a week ago, less than a week ago, it was $700. But last Tuesday it was $700. And I was saying to myself, you know what? This weekend I'm going to figure this out, and I'm going to get into Yearn Finance too. And seemingly this weekend, it's all ran up to almost $6,000, pretty much $6,000, currently at over $5,000. So early on, that's an opportunity that's missed. I think it does have a lot of upside. Please, guys, I want you to do your own research. Look into Yearn Finance. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do a video specifically around Yearn Finance and Yearn Finance 2. All right, let's go check out the news real quick, and I'll move on to the next video. I'm probably going to put out 2 videos today. Let's check out the news. Check out this news. Cryptocurrency. Let's see what's been going on for the last few days since I haven't had a video up. IRS memo. Cryptocurrency earned from a microtasking job is taxable income. Okay, so I peeked at this article, and basically what it's saying is if you get paid to download games, do reviews, leave a comment, quizzes and surveys, that's considered taxable income. So you already know the IRS, they want your children too. They want everything. Soon, pulling down your zipper and taking a leak will also be a taxable income. Japan's financial gain, SBI, to launch CFDs for Bitcoin. SBI is the company that I mentioned in a previous video that was the XRP video. Yes, the XRP video, price prediction video, where it was offered to SBI employees or executives, excuse me. XRP was offered to them. SBI will start CFD trading service for crypto assets, including Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP. See, there we go. I'm telling you, man, anybody who says large corporation money or big money, big finance money is jumping into the market, no, they're not jumping into the market. They already been here. They've been here for 2 years now. About a year and a half, 2 years now. Feds move to seize cryptocurrency linked to North Korean hacker. Oh, that's interesting. Department of Justice aims to seize 280 cryptocurrency used by hackers. U.S. sues to recover cryptocurrency funds stolen. Oh, God. Binance's Bitcoin bid-ask spread tighten as cryptocurrency markets mature. U.S. moved. Oh, God. Just Department. Jesus Christ. Is that all this going on here? I might have to go to CoinDesk. Russia blocks cryptocurrency website ahead of regulation. Listen, man. You know what? It seems like every time you take a look at the news, they got more FUD or FOMO or whatever you want to call it about Russia and banning crypto. It's just, what's going on here? Blockchain, the Bahamas, and the future directions in cryptocurrency reporting. My guess is this has something to do with taxes. How you report your crypto. I see central bank and I see Federal Reserve, so it has something to do with taxes, I guess. Recently, it was discovered that the Central Bank of Bahamas had included its newly created cryptocurrency known as Sand Dollar. Wow. On its balance sheet during April 2020, although the amount that was actually listed was only equivalent to $48,000, the implication of this inclusions are profound. It's profound that the central banks are now going to have their own cryptocurrency where you convert to pay your taxes. Cryptocurrencies have moved quickly from the fringe to the mainstream conversation, taking the form of decentralized finance, stablecoins, and most recently central bank digital currencies. Even as the ecosystem has rapidly accelerated, however, there's still ambiguity as to how exactly different types of cryptocurrencies should be treated from a reporting and disclosure perspective. So if they come to you and they say you didn't do this, listen, they don't have clear guidelines. They don't know what they're doing. Come on, guys. Don't come asking me for something you don't even know what you're talking about. This ambiguity exists even as industry associates and regulators, including the Association of Internal Certified Professional Accountants, that's wordy, the Financial Standards Board, oh, Jesus Christ, and more money, the Bank of International Settlements, who's all these people, and the Public Company Accounting Oversight Board. Yo, what? Who do we really need? Who needs all this? and have begun to issue thought leadership on the project. We don't care about your thoughts. Your thoughts always comes down to your palms getting greased and how you benefit and get paid. Despite these recent publications, in addition to the numerous opinions issued by other securities and market regulators, there's not a definitive guide or framework for how cryptocurrencies should be valued and reported. The people are in charge of that, not them. If they earn money, is to make sure that the people aren't being taken advantage of, and it's a fair transactions across the board. Not so you can come in and try to make a market out of it to get paid. So a new asset class. It's fairly new. Listen, cryptocurrency, guys. If you're new to this channel and you're not in cryptocurrency, you're not involved in cryptocurrency, I suggest you get yourself acclimated very quickly. The cryptocurrency XRP is having a good 6 weeks, I guess. I mean, the best thing about XRP is that it broke out and held above 25, 26 cents. Because I'm telling you right now, it's Bitcoin bounced at 11.1 is a very good thing. Because it breaks lower than that, you might see a flash to 18 cents. Now that XRP on the charts have flashed down to 25 cents at the bounce, you definitely could possibly see an 18, 19 cent flash if Bitcoin decides to continue lower over time. Yearn Finance becomes the most expensive cryptocurrency. Surges past $27,000, and it didn't take long either. Yeah, I was just bringing this up. In recent times, Yearn Finance has gone from a relatively unknown leading aggregator to a DeFi powerhouse as the center of the hottest trend in crypto industry today. So there you go. I guess I gave some of it away. It's an aggregator for Ethereum. There you go. And that's why it's so populated, because aggregation is very much needed for decentralized finance going forward. At the time this was reported, this report was drafted, Yearn Finance was trading at about $28,000 with a daily trading volume of about 616 million and a market capitalization of 865 million. Look at this chart, guys. We're talking about tremendous growth in such a short amount of time. I mean, this coin has been on a tear. The coin was $12,000 3 days ago. I'll just tell you that. YFI has gained 56% in the last 24 hours. Well, there you go. That tells you something. This article is 16 hours old, by the way. But yes, it was. Yearn Finance was, like I said, trading between $12,000 and $15,000 2 days ago. It has a circulating supply of 30,000 crypto coins and max supply of 30,000 coins. Well, there you go. Like I said, yes, it's more than Bitcoin, but it doesn't have near as much of a supply. And like I said, I might do a video on Yearn Finance too. I don't have the Patreon up yet, but I definitely want to do a chart analysis and investment analysis on Yearn Finance too. That would be something big that I would be doing for Patreons, so we could look at potential investment opportunities. Right now, it's very difficult to get, so I'm going to have to find time to do some research. Hopefully, the time doesn't go wasted, and you wake up the next morning, there's a $100,000 coin. But don't worry, there's plenty of other opportunities in the market. All right, yeah, YFI has been on the bullish trend for some weeks and has now exceeded $27,000. The recent addition of Yearn Finance to AVE provides a huge boost to the pool. What you must know, there are multiple protocols providing yield on the capital that you will lend. These yields vary from one protocol to the next. YFI automates and optimizes lending such that you can earn maximum value on your capital without researching each protocol. Yes, the token is used by Yearn Finance as a tool in producing returns from stablecoin deposits such as Tether. So in a nutshell, it automates. I don't know if I want to get into this now. I might want to do a separate video. Well, you guys can do the research. Either way, Yearn Finance right now is definitely a good addition to the crypto space. It's a great tool for automating and identifying great investment opportunities in cryptocurrency markets. That's one of its functionalities as well. But again, let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to go deeper on that. But Yearn Finance, man, big things from them. 73% of Argentines say cryptocurrency best for saving and economic crisis. Yeah, I don't know, if they still going through those tough times down there. Small biz bringing cryptocurrency to Hawaii. The most common cryptocurrency types explained. Let me go take a look at CoinDesk. So CoinDesk, let's see what they got, what they're talking about. Crypto, long and short. What changes at the Fed and the SEC mean for crypto? All right, highlighting for new role and changing long and short. Let's take a look at this for the long and short people. So scrolling through this, the SEC is changing. I scroll down a little bit. Central banks aren't only vulnerable institution implementing profound policy changes that will impact crypto markets. Earlier this week, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission approved the plan for the New York Stock Exchange to allow companies to list newly issued shares directly rather than via an IPO. Previously, direct listings were allowed for shares already held by insiders. This new ruling will enable companies to raise capital on public markets without the expense of an IPO, while still meeting certain compliance rules. That seems very simple. And I mean, why wasn't that done before? So I scroll down a little bit more. This is an interesting piece. Blockchain investment firm Digital Currency Group has expanded into the Bitcoin mining industry with a subsidiary called Foundry, which provides cryptocurrency miners and equipment makers with financing and market intelligence. Takeaway, this is yet another sign that the cryptocurrency mining industry is rapidly maturing, which should bring new investment, greater geographical diversification, and add liquidity and resilience to an integral part of the ecosystem. Well, I'm curious to see, what's really going to happen with a lot of this. The case for $500,000 Bitcoin. Come on, bro. That's so far away. It's not even. We haven't even gotten to $20,000 yet. Come on, guys. Chinese bank disables digital yuan wallet after soft launch draws wide attention. Money reimagined from COVID generation to crypto generation. Ethereum Classic hit by third 51% attack in a month. Ethereum Classic is bleeding. It is all but dead at this point. Mr. Powell, if you want higher inflation, give people money. Okay, interesting. I don't know what that got to do with crypto. Data ownership should be about software, not lawsuits. Chain analysis report shows healthy crypto usage in Venezuela. That's good. Buggy code release knocks 13% of Ethereum nodes offline. Scammers are forging CoinDesk emails. Here's how to protect yourself. If you are receiving weird emails from companies like CoinDesk, CoinMarketCap, it's probably a scam. Bitcoin climbs to 11.5 with record amount in DeFi. It seems like everybody has a DeFi announcement or indulging into DeFi markets. DeFi is the new IEO, I guess, if you will. Blockchain bites. Winklevoss, wild prediction. Bitcoin miners hoard Ethereum's critical bug. Yeah, we just saw that critical bug thing. I don't know. Ethereum. The interesting thing about Ethereum is they have no problem going in a different direction in order to secure and maintain growth overall, which was a lot of the back and forth with the fork between Ethereum Classic and Ethereum. So, I mean, as long as they do what they have to do and they make the adjustments and the updates, I think they'll be fine. Ethereum is still a very good asset to invest in my opinion. All right. Japanese finance giant SBI Holdings launched short-term crypto deliveries. Okay, so these pretty much the same thing. Not much going on in the news, guys. But I definitely wanted to get that Yearn Finance on you guys' radar. Stick around. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. I'm going to do a credit video. You getting all this Bitcoin, this cryptocurrency money. You saving, you investing in the market. But do you have credit? Are you spending, when you're cashing out, are you spending it on material things, or are you continuing to invest and are you using your credit? I think credit is very important. You should always have your cash working for you. I know a lot of people don't agree with that. There's people who say cash is king, buy everything cash, save. When you don't make a lot of money and you don't have a lot of money, I don't think that's very good advice. I don't think saving is not for the poor. I think I did a video on it. I think I said in my 5 reasons why $100,000 is minimum wage to retire wealthy. And I broke that down. You can find those videos on the channel. Very important videos for you guys to watch and understand. When I spoke in that video, it was me saying that if you are broke, if you are poor, which, you should not be saving. You should be, everything you do should be building up your income and keeping your cash working for you. I think that is the best way to build wealth for yourself in the long term or even short term, depending on how good you are at it, and as well for your family going forward. But anyway, I guess I'll get back to that in another video, seeming as though, there's a lot of different opinions on that. I like credit. I like building your income. You're earning $10,000 a month, $12,000, $15,000 a month, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 a month. You want to live off a lower portion of that, and the rest of that should be working. And the dividends or income, or whatever you're getting from that, should be reinvested along with the continued difference of income going back into the market. I think that's extremely important while creating passive income and going into other ventures as well. There should be no, I'm going to save this and then pay cash for something material. No, I don't think that makes sense. You should not be saving to buy houses, cash, and things like that. Your money should be working so you can have income. Your money should be giving you income. All right. Appreciate everybody for watching. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when we upload a new video. I'm Shy. This is TheDollarTree. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at TheDollarTree. You can follow me on Instagram at I'm Leo Calm. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Leo Calm, CALM. I'm going to do a credit video. And I'm also going to go in here and I'm going to break down the things that impact your credit, what it's based around, and why that should be a priority, especially if you are under the age of 22 years old. I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate everybody for watching. I think I said it like 8 times already.